Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Welcome back to my class. Okay. So, children, okay, be ready for the next chapter. Okay. So, in the last chapter, we learned why we need to eat food. Isn't it? Why we need to eat food. In order to get nutrients such as carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats. These are the important nutrients. These nutrients, we will get it from the food. These nutrients are essential, important for our growth and for our health. So in order to grow, if we want to grow, we need these all nutrients in our body. Through the food that we will get these all nutrients. But our body can't directly, it can't absorb these all nutrients. So the food is to be made it into which form? Paste form. So, yeah, some organs are working together to make the food in the paste form. What is the name of that organ system? Digestive system. In digestive system, 7 organs are grouped together to make the food in the paste form. Isn't it? When the food is in the small intestine, the walls of the small intestine can absorb all the essential things from the food, and it will be absorbed into the bloodstream. Isn't it? And the rest, and the rest, the water, then some minerals that also are absorbed by the walls of the large intestine when the food passes through the large intestine. So almost all the important essential things are absorbed. What it is now remain in the food? Waste. Very good. It is the waste that it is formed, isn't it? So I think waste is formed in our body, isn't it? Food waste.
Yes.
In the same way, different types of waste are present at your home, isn't it? Different types. See, newspapers, old newspapers. They are
Banana peely.
banana, okay, vegetable, fruits, vegetable and fruits, peelings, or the food waste. Then bottles after drinking soft drinks like Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, 7-Up, like that. See, it is waste.
Plastic.
Yeah, it is plastic waste, isn't it?
Cans.
Yeah. So likewise, so many different types of plastic waste are there, glass waste are there, newspaper waste are there, food waste are there, isn't it? So, see, when you are Aryan, okay. So when we are, means when the family members are getting free time, what you will do? If your mother is saying, today we can clean our house, isn't it? So all the members will work together. Your parents, your siblings, that all will sit together and sort out these all waste. Am I correct, children?
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, we'll sort out the different types of waste. Can you see that one family? It is sorting the newspapers and see bottles. They are grouping it. It is plastic bottles in different one. This glass bottles in different case, isn't it?
Yes.
Food waste. Can we keep the food waste along with that newspapers? No. It is not possible. We have to keep it in different dustbin, isn't it? So, see, nowadays, if you are at home, means sometimes your mother or parents, you can see they are taking it, the food waste. We have to remove regularly from home, isn't it?
Yes.
Otherwise, what
Yes.
will happen? If the food waste are kept it in the waste bin for 2-3 days, how it will be? Is it good?
Ma'am,
No.
Okay, it is
Bad.
not bad smell. It may produce bad smell, and not only that, it is not healthy, isn't it? So many flies, house flies like that all will. Yeah, Joseph Anthony is
Firefly.
closing his.
Firefly.
Firefly, no, firefly won't come. Okay, house flies, mosquitoes, like that. So many flies will be produced from that. So it is not good to keep it. So we have to remove that waste regularly. Are you helping your parent for doing it, children?
Yes.
Many are helping. How many are helping your parents?
Ma'am.
Okay, very good. Keep it up. Very good. Keep it up. Okay. So children,
Ma'am Navneet.
yeah, it is very good habit. Okay, it is a very good habit to remove these all waste. We should not keep any type of any sort of waste in our house. Okay, so we have to keep it. We have to remove it regularly. So yeah, sometimes you may be living in some, which one, some flats, isn't it? There is no space for removing, for putting that waste on the land. So what you will do? Someone garbage vehicle will come, and
Yes,
some
ma'am. One
people will
garbage
come and collect this.
will come.
Yeah, will come and collect this waste, isn't it? So
Garbage man will come and collect waste.
okay. So like that, all from municipalities or from panchayats or from some authorities, they will come and take it, collect it, and will remove it out of your house. Not from your house, they will dump it on some places. So anyhow, we have to remove the waste, isn't it? So these all are the waste. So here I want to know, what is a waste? What is a waste? Who can tell me?
Ma'am Navneet, can I?
Yes, Navneet. What is a waste in general? General.
Ma'am, waste means what we don't need.
Okay, very good answer. Okay, we are not using.
Yeah.
Unused things are waste. Isn't it? Unused things are waste. Understood? Old newspapers, we don't have, see, some we may have some use of it, but not the whole, with the whole, isn't it? In the same way, bottles, once it is used, it's over. We don't need that one. So these all are waste. Say, children, in this slide, you can see three different colored waste bins we are using. Nowadays, 10 years before and all, we are, see, it is the case, waste management yesterday. Say everything, bottles, food waste, then whatever it is, metal scraps, whatever it is, we are putting in one single bin. But now we can keep it in different bins, isn't it? Because some of the food waste, we can make it into fertilizers that are useful for the plants, isn't it?
Ma'am,
When
natural food waste. Natural food waste.
natural, okay, food waste. Yes. Then some of the, say, metal waste, metal parts or some machines or all, we don't mix up. We should not mix that with the food waste, because this metal waste we can reuse it, isn't it? Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, so we should not mix it. And the plastics also, different types of plastic wastes are there. Some plastic waste we can't use it. Once it is used, we have to throw it. And some type of plastics we can reuse, isn't it? We can wash it and we can reuse. And for some sort of plastic we can recycle, we can melt it, we can make that plastic into different form. Okay, so some buckets like that, all type of plastic things we can melt. Not we, some people will come and collect these all things at your home, isn't it? From your home, isn't it, children? So
Yes, ma'am.
they are taking it and sending it to some factories. In that factories, these type of, there also they will sort. This type of plastic we don't need. Some kits and all, did they take that like that plastics? No. Okay, they will take only some sort of plastic. So they will take it, they will send it to some factories. In that factories, it is melted, and they will make it into different form. That is recycled. Okay, in the same way, different types of waste we can. Yes, Jo Maria or Paurnami, do you want to say something?
Yes.
Yes, what do you want, Jo Maria? I can't hear you. Say it loud. I can't hear you. Okay. I can't hear you. So here we were discussing about the waste. Okay, about the waste. Waste means things that we not
don't
that which
use
we
longer.
can't use. Okay, things that which we can't use. In the same way, in our body, there are wastes are produced. Okay, in our body also wastes are produced. So what is the waste that it is produced in our body? As you learn the digestive system, now you know the waste that it is produced in our body. How does the waste produced in our body? Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. After taking essential things from the food, whatever it is remain, that is unused food and water. Isn't it? Unused food and water. That we can, that is the waste it is produced in our body. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
Is there any other waste is there produced in our body?
Water waste.
Water waste. Who said Vihan? Okay, Vihan, tell me, what is that water waste?
Liquid form of waste.
Okay, how does it form? From where do it form?
Urine.
Okay, urine. Okay. So where do it get that water to form urine?
From the water we drink.
Yeah, the excess water which we are drinking, the excess water which we get from the food, isn't it? So that is also some quantity of water is needed for our body, but if it is excess, that is a waste. Okay, is there any other waste?
Solid waste.
Solid waste, we already told it. Okay, liquid waste, we told it. Then, yes, Kailas? Sorry? I can't hear you. It is not clear. Okay. So, children, you are breathing in and breathing out. Isn't it? You are respiring. Isn't it? When you are breathing in, what?
And oxygen.
Yeah. Okay. When you are breathing in, what it is getting it into your body?
Oxygen.
Oxygen is required for our body, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
What we are getting out of our body?
Carbon dioxide.
Don't need carbon dioxide. Why we don't need carbon dioxide?
It is pollution.
It makes pollution. It is a poisonous gas, isn't it?
Yes.
It is a harmful gas. Okay, but when the oxygen get it into our body, by the help of the oxygen, some of the functions in our body will be taking place. Due to that process, this harmful gas called carbon dioxide is produced in our body. If carbon dioxide is there in our body, it is harmful. We don't need this carbon dioxide, so that we are getting it out. Clear? So, see, maybe you know about, sometimes if you are talking about waste that are formed in our body, your siblings, younger siblings, anybody is there, they may get wonder, why it happens? What is the waste it is produced, isn't it? Maybe because they know waste only the waste, food waste, or the paper waste, plastic waste, that only, isn't it? But they don't know, they haven't learned this digestive system, so they don't know. So what we can say to them? What is waste that it is produced in our body? The unused food and water become waste in our body, isn't it? So what is waste? If anybody asks you this question, what is the waste that it is formed in our body? You have to say this answer. The unused food and water become waste in our body. Is it clear, Joseph?
Yes.
Okay, so read the spelling of waste. So children, take the rough book and note down the spelling of waste. Joseph, read the spelling of waste.
W-A-S-T-E.
What is that word? W-A-S-T-E.
Waste.
Waste. Okay, so what is meant by waste? Vishnu, Manoj, if anybody asks you what is meant by the waste in the body, how you will answer it?
Unused
Unused
food and water become
water.
waste.
Okay, unused food and water become the waste. Eva Jolie, what is meant by waste in our body? Eva, what is meant?
Leftovers from food.
Okay, unused
Leftovers.
food and water become the waste in our body, isn't it? Huh? Waste. What is meant by waste? Unused food and water. Mainly. Okay. So now we can learn the different types of waste that it is formed in our body. So we already told leftovers from the food in the body. Leftovers from food in the body form solid waste, isn't it? Solid waste. So how to remove that one? We get rid of solid waste by pooping, isn't it? So can you see this picture, children? So I hope you understood, isn't it? Pooping. So it is very, very important because we should develop a habit of it, isn't it? How many of you have the habit in the morning like this?
Ma'am.
Pooping, yeah. So it is very good. Don't laugh. It is not a laughing thing or comedy. It is very, okay, keep it down. Okay. It is very, very important. You should develop a habit of it. Morning after waking up, some of them may drink milk, or sometimes without drinking milk also you can go to the toilets regularly. Okay. So see, just think, if the food, when you wake up and went it into your kitchen, sometimes some food waste will be there in the bin, isn't it? If your mother is not removing, if anybody, it is not the only the work of your mother, if anybody is not removed it from the waste bin, how it will be? Yeah, it will smell bad.
It will be smell very bad.
Okay, so is it good to keep that thing
It
there?
No.
This is the same thing happens in our body also. We are eating food, no? After mixing with saliva, so many digestive juices become paste. So if we are keeping that food waste in our body, how it will be? It is not good for our health. Okay, we will not get energy to do work. If it is fresh, if our stomach, if our large intestine is very clean, then only we will get energy. Okay, so you all should have the habit of pooping in the morning. Understood? Is it clear? Okay.
Yes.
So next one we discussed about the water, liquid waste. Leftovers from water and other liquids we drink form liquid waste. How can we remove that one? Avoid from that by peeing and by sweating. Okay, peeing and sweating. Say sweating, we should not, we don't need to make a habit of sweating and all. Don't need, isn't it? If you are all sitting under the fan for a minute, if it is power failure is there, you may start to sweat. Am I right? Okay. So when it is sweating, liquid water is coming out of your forehead or here and there. So excess water is coming out of. Okay, it is the excess water which it is in our body comes out of it.
Ma'am, Liju is not muted, so much background noise is coming, ma'am.
Okay, who it is? Okay,
Liju.
Lindiju, please mute it. Lindiju, okay. So children, Bihan also, Kailasnath, please mute it. Okay. So here, when we are sweating, excess water comes out of our body along with the excess salt. See, we are using salt in our food, isn't it? If it is more, that is also not good. That is also a waste. So excess water and salt comes out of our body, get rid of our body as sweat. Clear? Clear? Okay.
Yes.
So that is, and next one, it is the carbon dioxide like gas waste. Gaseous waste or gas waste. How can we remove that one? By breathing out.
By breathing.
By breathing out.
By breathing.
Okay, so in these three methods, we can remove the waste from our body. So here, we learned about what is meant by waste today, which all types of waste it is produced, isn't it? So, while pooping or peeing or breathing, sweating,
or
breathing
breathing
out, we can get rid of these waste. That process, removal of waste from our body, that process is called excretion. See, children,
Excretion.
Okay, don't say excretion, that and all. Don't say that. It is excretion. Excretion. Okay, Arav, please read that spelling. Arav. TP. Arav TP. Excretion spelling. Read it fast.
Excretion.
Okay, what is that word? Excretion. Aben, please read the spelling and the word. Aben, unmute. Aben. Read the spelling and the word.
Excretion.
What is that word?
Excretion.
Excretion. Okay. Ihan PM. What is that word?
Excretion.
Spelling.
Excretion.
I hope all are noting down this spelling, isn't it? Okay. So next one, Adidev KS. Adidev KS, read the spelling of excretion. Now itself all can learn. Children.
Excretion.
Okay. Anton Binosh. Anton. What is the name of the process of removal of waste from our body? What it is called? Removal of waste from our body. What is the name it is given?
Excretion.
Excretion. Anton Binosh. What is the name of that process? Excretion. Okay. Devananda CS. Devananda. Okay. What is meant by excretion? If anybody asks you what is meant by excretion, how can you answer?
I did not hear, ma'am.
Remove it.
Wait, Navaneet, please wait. See, Devananda.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is meant by excretion?
Remove of waste from the body is called excretion.
Farsan, what is meant by excretion?
Spelling
Okay, read the spelling first.
Excretion.
What is that word?
Excretion.
Excretion. What is meant by excretion, Farsan? Yes, tell me. Tell me. Muhammad Fadil, what is meant by excretion? Fast.
Removal of waste from the
Body is called excretion.
is called
Okay.
excretion.
Okay. So in order to remove the waste from our body, one organ system is helping us. Okay. The name of that organ system is excretory system. Excretory system. Okay, Juvan Biju, what is the name of the organ system? Juvan Biju, what is the name of the organ system that helps to remove waste?
Excretory system.
Excretory system. Excretory system. Paurnami. Excretory. Excretory.
Excretory system.
Not creatory. EXCRETORY. Excretory.
Ma'am, I think
Excretory
our
system.
time is up.
Wait, children.
Am I
Paurnami, what is
No,
the name
ma'am.
of the organ system that helps to remove waste from our body? Paurnami. Organ system.
Excretion.
Paurnami, tell me the answer. Okay, next one. Michelle, tell me what is the name of the organ system that helps to remove the waste from our body? Michelle,
Excretion.
that is excretion process. Okay, organ system. Organ system. Yes, Muhammad Faris. Okay, excretory system. Okay, children, please write down this spelling, excretory system. Spelling, only this spelling. Okay. So next class, we will discuss about the excretory system, organs in excretory system, its functions.
Ma'am, you should write
Yes.
the